I have three experiences who shaped my academic experience by now. The first one was the first time my grandma presented me the sea by using these shells. I put this in my ears and I hear the sea and the beautiful power by the shells. Today I know the scientific thing about this huge power by the shells, but this time when I was a kid was another experience. 20 years later, the last year, I discovered myself collecting fossils, parents of this kind of shells, and I could see myself doing this for the rest of my life, being a scientist and collecting fossils. So the third thing was when the first time I knew this museum in paleontological museum in Perópolis. When I saw the first time, I knew it. I was studying fossils for the rest of my